Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2019 Ford Escape SEL with a 300A package. The exterior color is Oxford white, and under the hood we have a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 6-speed automatic select shift transmission. At the front we have halogen high and low beam headlights as well as daytime running lights. We also have a pair of fog lamps and an engine block heater connection. Over at the side, we have our 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin tires. We also have color-matched mirror caps and door handles. At the rear, we have privacy-tinted windows, and up top we have our beautiful twin-panel moonroof, as well as our roof rails. This Ford Escape also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have reverse sensors paired to a backup camera, as well as a power liftgate. At the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with a wiper blade attached. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors with blind spot information system. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as our liftgate button. And we have a tilt steering wheel with our information trackpad and adaptive cruise control settings to the left. Over at the right, we have our entertainment and media controls, as well as our hands-free controls. Up above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. We also have our beautiful twin-panel moonroof. And as we look down at our interior, we have beautiful black leather seating that comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 37,349 kilometers on this beautiful Ford Escape. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, as well as other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our sync controls, as well as we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Driver and passenger can also enjoy heated seats. We have a console gear shift with select shift option for the driver, as well as dual cup holders, and a center console that provides tons of storage. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage as well as power windows, and even more storage in the rear of our driver and passenger seating. Our 60/40 bench seat leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Ford Escape, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.